this is Kanika Bhatia with you from Cloudscape. Now we have added the product to the system. To add the inventory, we will be creating purchase order, which we will see in the next video. Now before adding the purchase order, we need to make sure that the supplier is there in the system. To add a new supplier, I'll navigate to purchase and under new, I'll click supplier here. A few fields with this asterisk sign are mandatory, rest all are optional. So here I'll add a name here. Make sure that you are selecting the right currency for this supplier. If in case this supplier currency is not matching with the base currency, their inventory will do the automatic conversion. You can also make the changes to that conversion at the time of creating the purchase order. Select the payment term here depending on the number of days within which the payment is due. So for this supplier, it's 15 days. Select the account payable for this supplier. You can also add some comment here. All the tax rules that you have added to the financial reference books, those will show up in this drop down list. I'll select tax on purchase here. Different statuses are active and deprecated. If in case you are not using this supplier, you can mark this as deprecated. I'm marking this as active. You can also select the default carrier here and add the tax number of the supplier here. Now if in case the supplier is providing you the discount on a regular basis, you will add that number here. This 10% discount will get added to the purchase orders automatically. From attributes set, you can select a default attribute set for this supplier. So for example, if I'm adding this supplier attributes, and you will see this tab showing up here. Now scrolling down here under additional attribute, I need to add the code which is supplier's specific SKU. Under default template, I can select what templates to be used for all these transactions. Under context, I'll add the point of contact. So for example, I have added William as point of contact here. I can select if he is the default point of contact or not, and if I need to include his email in the emails. So I will select here. You can also add other contacts here for different departments or for billing or other information. Now coming to addresses, I can add the address of the supplier. You can add one or more than one addresses here. This is the address, let's say. Now under type, I can select what kind of address is this. If this is billing, business or shipping, I'll add this as billing address. If in case there are more than one addresses, I'll select if this is the default or not. Let's say this is default. After adding the information, save this. Now Dear also provides you the option to add multiple supplier ones through CSV file. We will be doing that by navigating to supplier and under search, I'll click suppliers here. Here I have the option to import. Because I'll be adding the suppliers here, I'll download the supplier file. So on selecting the supplier, I'll be taken to this import page and I will download the template file from here. Fill in the details in that file and then I'll import it. Let's see how this import file works. So this is the template here and I have added two suppliers here, new concept and Zing. The status is active, different currencies here, payment terms, tax rules. You can also add this different columns here like account payable, carrier, discount, tax number, additional attributes here. Now here, because I have provided the email address, I need to also provide the contact name here. So this is the email address and then you can see different columns here. The main point to remember here is that these are the column headers and we are not going to make any changes to the name of the column headers or the sequence. Once adding the information, I'll save this import sheet and I will go back to this import page. I will upload this file here, open, and it will take a few seconds to upload and you can see the suppliers have been imported successfully. Both the suppliers have been added to the system. Now I'll go to purchase and under search I'll click suppliers to cross check if these have been added or not. So if I search the second supplier here, I can see this is the supplier here. I hope this video helped you to understand how to import CSV file for suppliers or how to add a supplier manually. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel or write to us at support@cloudscape.ae. Thank you for watching.